What if lunch was already done for the next 5 days in 5 minutes? 5 minutes for 5 days of lunches? That's a minute of prep for a day of food. Not sad desk salads, not drive-thru regret, real food, filling, flavor-packed, straight from your pantry. And what if I told you it's less than $2 a meal? I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I build pantry meal systems that make meals stupid easy and wicked delicious. Less work, less stress. Real food. I don't believe in spending your life away in the kitchen. And I definitely don't believe in stressing about lunch. Today I'm showing you my 3 easy meal prep lunches using loaded potato recipes. I made videos for each one individually, so check those out in the description below. Option number 1, taco bowl. This is pantry magic. Instant rice, canned chicken, corn, tomatoes, olives, and seasoning. Portion it into containers. It reheats perfectly. It's hearty, it's better than Chipotle or Free Birds, and you can have it made in less time than it takes to wait in line at the restaurant. And they only cost about $1.64 a person. Option number 2, sausage jambalaya. This one tastes like you slaved all day, but it takes 5 minutes start to finish. Shelf-stable sausage, tomatoes, onions, celery, bell peppers, Cajun seasoning. Mix in your instant rice in one pot, big batch. Portion it out, it gets better as it sits. It's bold, it's filling, and it's only $1.33 a serving. Option number 3, cranberry chicken salad and rice. This one is shockingly good. Canned chicken, dried cranberries, mayo, mustard, dill relish, sliced almonds over instant rice. Sweet, savory, satisfying. It feels fancy, straight from the deli, but you whipped it together in 5 minutes at home. Lunch for a week, all from your pantry for less than $2 a meal. Can't beat that. Here's the thing. When you meal prep like this, you're not just saving your time, you're building margin. Your fridge is a backup, your pantry is the system. 3 lunches ready to grab. No slicing, no dicing, no 6 a.m. panic. And the wild part, every single one of these doubles as emergency food. Power outage, you're fine. Storm hits, you're fed. Grocery shelves empty, you're calm. This is why I created loadedpotato.org. I was tired of dinner jail, tired of cooking every single day just to keep up. Now I cook once, eat multiple times, and everything I use can sit in my pantry and wait patiently for me. If lunch has been draining you, stop overcomplicating it. Follow me for pantry meal prep hacks and head to loadedpotato.org for full recipes, meal plans, and my auto grocery calculator that builds your cart for you. Make today easier, protect tomorrow, and never stress about lunch again. loadedpotato.org.